Hey, welcome to Ganam Academy, the place where math becomes fun, fast, and fresh. Today we are tackling something that confuses a lot of students, that is fractional indices. So this is fractional indices. So we'll break it down step by step with this question right here. So we have 4x raised to 2, y raised to 3, the whole of this equation raised to a half. So when you see such an expression raised to anything with fraction, that basically means it is the root of that number. So in this case, if you have, what I'm trying to say is that if you have a raised to a half, this is the same as the square root of a. So in this case, the whole of this inside the bracket. So we are going to rewrite this as, so this 4 is the same as 4 into raised to a half, which is equals to the square root of 4. And this x square is the same as raised to a half, is the same as the square root of x square. So, and the same as the in y, so in y raised cube then half is the same as y cubed, the square root of this. So in our case, the square root of 4 is 2. In this case, it is going to be x, and in this case going to be y. This cubed 3 all over 2. So we have 2x y raised to 3 all over 2. So as you can see, this wasn't scary at all. So if this helped you understand fractional power, give this video a like and make sure you subscribe to Ganam Academy for more powerful math lessons. Drop a comment if you want the next one to be on a negative indices or maybe zero power. As always, math is live. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.